Hello. Today I'm answering a question that I was asked by one of my email subscribers, Adam. Hi, Adam. He wanted to know if there was a way that Gmail could automatically filter out foreign emails that he received from his website contact form. Now, these emails were technically spam, but because they were coming from his contact form, they were appearing in his inbox, so he was then having to go through and delete them manually. Now, unfortunately, Gmail can't filter by language, but we can set up a different filter to work instead. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. So let's say you keep getting spam messages that look like this, written in another language. Now, I asked ChatGPT to give me content for a spam email written in Russian, and this is what he gave me. And I can translate this to English. So this is the English version too, or at least I hope it is. But if I put it back to the Russian version, now in most cases, Gmail should automatically filter emails like this straight into the spam folder. But there may be times when it doesn't because of the sender's email address. In Adam's example, it would be his website contact form. Now we can tell Gmail to filter these emails out based on keywords or characters that appear in those messages. So to begin with, we need to look at those emails and see if there's a common word that's used in each one. Now ChatGPT said to me that any word meaning income, earnings, revenue, or anything money related would be common in spam emails. So once you've got the word or words, we can now create the filter. So to do that, we need to click on this Show Search Options icon to the right of the search bar here at the top of the inbox. In the field that says Includes the Words, that's where we paste the word that we want to use. So in this example, I'm going to use this word here, which I think means earnings or revenue, something like that. If you have several words that you want to include, then you would just do a space after it and then type in the word or in capitals and then put in the next word and so on. But for this example, I'm just going to use this one word. Once you're happy with that, you then click on Create Filter. Now this is where we choose what we want Gmail to do with the emails that come in containing that specific word. So I would just choose Delete It. So it automatically goes straight into your bin or trash folder without you seeing it first. If you're happy with that, then you can click on Create Filter. Now a quick reminder that emails will stay in your bin or trash folder for 30 days before being permanently deleted. So if you want to quickly check emails that are in there, click on the More button in this top section of the left-hand menu of your inbox and go down to Bin. And they will be listed in there. Obviously mine's empty at the moment. And if you want to edit or remove the filter later on, to do that you simply click on the gear icon in the top right corner here, go to See All Settings, and then across the top here go to Filters and Blocked Addresses, and then your filters will be in this top section here. Find the one that you've set up, which is this one here, and over on the right hand side you can either edit or delete it. And that's it, job done. Now I know it's not perfect, but it is a handy way to reduce junk without needing advanced tools. And if you want to know how to actually block a sender so it automatically goes into spam, then watch this quick video next. I hope this has helped. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.